Hey guys, today I'm showing you this new innovation which is like a iLink backup. So if you have an iPhone and you want to back it up, so this actually adapter can charge your iPhone as well as back it up in a flash drive or a flash card or on your PC. So here I will show you how. So this comes just the adapter here and the manual. So you can see all the instruction and the link to the app store for the app so that this adapter can work properly. So in this adapter you can see the memory card chip, flash drive chip, and then a charging mode, and also like this a USB, so you can either put it in your PC or you can use it in an power adapter with a USB thing. So I'm just putting in the thing. So this is like say for the flash drive, so you can put external storage here. This one is for charging, so you can put in your iPhone charging cable here. So it should be a USB charging cable. And this one is for the micro SD card, or you can use it in your PC, or you can put this into an adapter. So for the demo purpose I'm putting this into an adapter, power adapter, so I can show. So it's a USB, so I'm just putting it into a adapter, so it will start working, and you see it start working, it start charging my mobile, and you can see a notification saying to download an app. So I'm downloading this app, iLink app. So basically you have to say yes to all the notifications and allow the access to the photos, contacts, and everything, so that it can work properly. So it started charging and looking for the things, but as I have not put in the SD card yet, so I'm putting it now. So I will show you how to put even the things. So these are settings. You can choose to back up your contacts or the photos or any other thing. You can also restore your stuff from back to the card and to the phone. See the contacts and everything start. So I'm putting in now, you can see like the flash drive, and it will take it up and it's backing up my contacts and then camera. So in the file browser you can actually access the flash drive as well, that everything is